Hello viewer, welcome to Samuel Academy. My name is Samuel. In this video, I want to explain more about atomic structure, the structure of the atom. First of all, let me define what an atom is. An atom is the smallest unit that retains the properties of an element. Elements are displayed in the periodic table and include hydrogen, helium, lithium, nitrogen, neon, sodium, and so on. An atom has a central nucleus which consists of positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. So an atom has a central nucleus. It has protons and neutrons. The protons are positively charged, but the neutrons do not have a charge, they are neutral. Alright? And around the nucleus is an electron cloud. The nucleus is surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. The electrons orbit the nucleus in specific energy levels or shells. So around this nucleus, we have an electron cloud which have got a negative charge. And they orbit this nucleus in specific energy levels or shells. For example, this is an atom of chlorine, and it has this first energy level with 2 electrons, second energy level with 8 electrons, and the third energy level with 7 electrons. Now, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. So an atom is neutral because the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. And the protons have a positive charge, whereas the electrons have a negative charge. Therefore, there is no overall electrical charge. The atom is neutral. The number of protons is the atomic number, which is the position of the element in the periodic table. So, like in this case of chlorine, it has 17 protons. And that is the atomic number of chlorine, which gives it its position in the periodic table. Okay? Chlorine is number 17. It has 17 protons, and that's the atomic number. Okay? Most of the mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus of that atom. So most of the mass of an atom is here in the nucleus, where we have the protons and the neutrons. Okay? The relative mass of a proton is 1, and the relative mass of a neutron is also 1. But the relative mass of an electron is very small, negligibly small. The sum of protons and neutrons in an atom is the mass number. Okay? So the sum of protons and neutrons is the mass number of that atom. Okay? Now the mass number may vary for a given element because neutrons may vary. In that case, we have what we call isotopes. Like carbon atom, we have carbon 14 and carbon 12. That difference is due to the difference in the number of neutrons. Okay? So what I'm saying is that the sum of the protons and neutrons will give you the mass number for that specific atom. So let us summarize what we have learned in this video. We have seen that the number of protons is equal to the atomic number. if an element has 19 protons, like potassium, its atomic number is number 19. And that is the position of potassium in the periodic table. Now, in a neutral atom, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. We are saying this because an atom may attain either negative charge or a positive charge in chemical bonding. But if the atom is neutral, then the number of protons is equal to number of electrons. A neutron has no overall electrical charge. It is neutral, and it is found in the nucleus. Relative mass of a proton is 1, and that of a neutron is 1. But the relative mass of an electron is very small. Most of the mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So I request you to subscribe to Samuel Academy to be able to view other videos in other disciplines like geography, even physics and mathematics. Thank you.